Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav Singh Vardhan of class 10F from Pragyan Public School. Today I am here to narrate you about a project that me and my group mates have made. And the topic is Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. If I talk about my group mates, so the names are Mehak Baghel, Harshit Sharma, Tanvi Jain, Sakshi Tomar, Vaibhav Singh Vardhan, Nitya Sharma and Dhruv Mangla. The page you are seeing on the screen is our front page that we have made for our project. And this one is the intro of our project. This is table of contents. Here are some topics that we have included in our project. And there are total 7 topics. If we talk about the first one, that is uses of 3D shapes in real life. So this topic talks about how different solid shapes surround us every day. So this block talks about how different solid shapes surround us every day. Look around and see what different shapes are you surrounded with. There are many shapes in our real life that we can see. The first one is cone. The real life examples of cone are ice cream cone, funnel, traffic cone, volcanoes, etc. The next shape is pyramid. The real life examples of pyramids are Pyramid of Giza, roof of houses, and acupressure objects. The next shape is cuboid. The examples of cuboid are the lunchbox, shoebox, cartoon boxes, matchboxes, bricks, etc. If we move further, we have next shape that is cylinder. The real life examples of cylinders are pipes, beaker, candle, battery, water tanks, etc. The next shape we have is cube. So the examples of cube in real life are dice, Rubik's cube, etc. The next shape is sphere. The real life examples of sphere are ball, planets, orange, moon, stars, etc. So this is our last topic, that is hemisphere. The real life examples of hemisphere are bowls, human brain, headphones, igloo, etc. So our next topic is different types of 3D shapes. If we talk about 3D shapes have faces, vertices and edges. Every shape have different number of faces, vertices and edges. The first 3D shape is cube. Cube have 6 faces that are square in shapes. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. The next shape is cuboid. Cuboid also have 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. If we move further, we have regular tetrahedron. The key feature of this is 4 faces which all are equilateral triangles. If it has 4 faces, 4 vertices and 6 edges. The next shape is triangular prism. A prism have a triangle. It has 5 faces, 6 vertices and 9 edges. The next shape is square based pyramid. It has 5 faces, 5 vertices and 8 edges. It has square based. The next shape is cone. If we talk about its faces, vertices and edges, so the normal definition of faces, vertices and edges are not appropriate for cone. So our next topic is properties of 3D shapes. Here are some names of shape with their properties. For example, sphere, cylinder, cone, pyramid, prism, cube, cuboid, etc. Our next topic is model of Golden Temple and Taj Mahal. The model you are seeing on the screen is the one that my group mates have made. Thermocol and different shapes are used in this model. And this one is the model of Taj Mahal that my group mates have made. It is also made up of thermocol. The next topic is culture of Punjab and UP. Let us talk about Uttar Pradesh first. Here are some characteristics or details about Uttar Pradesh. For example, the capital of Uttar Pradesh, that is Lucknow, the area covered by it, etc. Here are some festivals and rituals followed in Uttar Pradesh. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is situated in Agra in Uttar Pradesh. If we talk about the history of Taj Mahal, so Shahjahan constructed this monument for his beloved wife Mumtaz. Taj Mahal is a rewarded monument to symmetry both inside and from outside. Here are some details of geometry and trigonometry used in Taj Mahal. So let us move toward the culture of Punjab. Here are some details of art and craft, food, and dressing styles of Punjab. If we talk about Golden Temple, so Golden Temple is situated in Amritsar in Punjab. It is the holy place for Sikhs. If we talk about the history of Golden Temple, so here is every detail of history of Golden Temple from its construction to everything. The next topic is dresses of UP and Punjab. This is the craftwork of dress of UP and this one is of Punjab. So let us move towards our last topic, that is research work done by students. Here are some pictures of different students doing their research works. So this was all about our project. Thank you.